Auto mechanic. Let's put it together. Car. Tire. Toolkit. An auto mechanic will handle all sorts of car problems. Let's experience it together. 2 cars need to be fixed today. My car is broken. Can you check? Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Drag the machine to check it out. The car body is badly damaged. Please fix it first. There's a dent on the car. Let's fix it. First, remove the items with a pliers. Then, suck the dent out. Put on a proper steel plate. Then spray the steel plate with paint. Wow! The car is as good as a new one. Great job! The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. Place pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great! Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Wow! My car is as good as a new one! You are awesome! My car is broken! Help! Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. The problems have all been identified. Let's start fixing. The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! The car is so dirty. Let's have a good clean. There are a lot of bacteria. Get rid of them quickly. The car window is so dirty. Come and wash it. Drag the brush to foam the car. Let's rinse away the foam. Now let's wipe away the water stains on the car. Wow, the car is so clean now. Great, it's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. My favorite car is fixed. Thank you so much.
The car is all fixed. Wow! Here are the coins for my hard work.